Hello people! Today I want to talk about Amiga audio, the Paula chipset, and yeah, some different things. But first of all, the audio. Because Paula chip can actually play almost full CD quality. At least it sounds, yeah, it can play stereo, it can do things that I thought was not possible. But it is. So, you know, playing MP3, this is quite demanding for the CPU. I have a 030 and it's 50 megahertz, but still it's a little bit heavy if you want to play like CD quality. So, but it sounds good with MP3, but I think the worst thing about MP3 is like it's taking so much of the CPU, so you cannot like do much other things, you know. If you play MP3, it's yeah, you like stuck with that, only listening to music. So that's what we're going to talk about today. What can I do? You know, I have my Linux laptop here, so I just loaded a music file from Revision demo party last year. It's a lot of nice music released. This is from the streaming competition. This is like, yeah, very high quality. So yeah, this is a MP3 file. Most that is like released there for like this multi-channel. This is MP3. So what I'm going to do? This is Audacity, free, very good program. It's also for Windows. So I'm going to convert that file, export it, and in the true spirit of Amiga, we're going to use that is like an uncompressed format. It will be like CD quality, but of course this is an MP3 from before, so I cannot get better than that. But anyway, AIFF. We're going to save this file as AIFF instead of MP3, because it will be easy for our Amiga to play that file, even if it's like full quality. So okay, save. Okay, so it's saved, and now back to the Amiga. I will load, or I have loaded directory Opus. So here, from here is a FTP client, so I can, because I'm connected to the internet with this Wi-Fi extender, and just like this Ethernet cable to my Amiga. So okay, I go up here and FTP address book, and I called it home server. So now I'm in my Linux laptop, this one that I showed you. So okay, I'm going here, and I'm going to find this file I converted, and it's in here, and it's that one. So okay, I put it here in AIFF, you see, in my work folder. So yeah, copy that one. Now it's sending it over. It's a big file, but who cares? Disk space is not so expensive, or you know, it's you can have a big hard disk for cheap money these days. So okay, and while it's downloading, okay, of course we can listen to a little bit of music. It's no stress. It's like, yeah, you see, it's a big file, takes a little bit of time to download, doesn't matter. We play music, and why not do something more? You can play a game. Whoops, this was in a... That's okay. I will change, you know, you see the resolution there, it's flickering. So new game, we can go to change preferences, and you see here, because it's like Paula high-res laced. Let's put it to NTSC, double NTSC, high-res, no flicker. But this is actually not flickering now, but I'm filming in PAL, so it's flickering on the camera, but not for me. So anyway, so this is yeah, you see, you can do different things by listening to music. It's no problem. Multitasking. And how is it going with our file? Oh, it's half the way. And yeah, we can talk about something else. You know, it's this file is, yeah, it's quite big. You know, it's like WAV, you know, uncompressed. It's a big file. If you want, I'm using SongPlayer. I recommend that one. It's great. You can play MP3, you can play AIFF, many formats, and it sounds real good. So it's utility there, so you can convert the audio file to this format that it's called, wait a minute, because I did that, but as I talked about, disk space is not so important, so it doesn't matter so much to me if it's big files, but if you like, it's how do I put it here? This is ADPCM4. You see, it's like 1/4 of the original size. This is the original size is almost 40 megabyte, and you see it's almost 10 megabyte when it's put in that format. And I tried to listen to the original file and the compressed file, and I didn't hear any difference. It's a really good packer, or you know, you can make your files like 1/4 of the original file. Anyway, seems like it's downloaded the file that we converted. So let's see. The AIFF is put it here. Yeah, it's this one. That's the one. That was converted from the Linux and brought over to the Amiga with the FTP. Maybe a little bit louder. It's stereo, really good quality.